What's up, everyone? Welcome back. I hope everybody having a good day and everybody is good. So today we're gonna be unboxing a JB4 Tune that barely came in. Alright guys, I already sprayed, don't worry about it. I'm about to open it. Ooh, you guys can see it. Look at this. Hold up, I gotta spray it again. Take all that stuff out of here. You guys ready? Alright guys, here it is. As you guys can see, the box is for the Q50 or the Q60. You guys can see. So let's open it up. First thing first is, what is it? It's just a paper saying thanks for buying it. So pretty much I got the Bluetooth kit one. So here it goes. This is for the Bluetooth. And you guys can see. And then what is this for? So it's for the OBD2. Oh my god, this is a real thing right here. And I've been waiting for this for a long time. Look at this. It's pretty heavy too. So I'm gonna open it. Yeah, it feels, yeah, it really feels good. Look at this. You guys can see. So yeah, right now I'm gonna see and figure out how to install these parts. I mean the Bluetooth, and I get back to you guys in a bit. Alright, so right now we're gonna install the Bluetooth on the thing, which I already took this off. It's just on 4 screws. I mean 1 screw each side, which is 4. And you're gonna see this, which right here the Bluetooth goes. We just unplug it, and then these 2 screws come with it inside the back, and all you gotta do is screw them right here. One right here and the other one right here. So then let's put it back here. Put this on top. And there you go guys, that's pretty much it. So now I'm gonna go to my car and see if I could install this. Alright guys, so we're gonna get it started and install it already, but I already kind of started, which I took out 2 clips from here, one right here, another one right here. And as you guys can see, I already put the JB4 on here, the box, and I already connect the OBD2 sensor, as you guys can see, which pretty much I just lift this up and pass the cable in the bottom for it could look stock. For the cost won't be saying nothing, but pretty much I run it through here, the OB2 wire cable. You guys can see it's just right here. It's yeah, pretty much I just plug it in there and that's it. This is just for now the setup, because I'm kind of like in a rush to put it on, and you know me, I'm already hyped up, but let's get to it. Just pretty much remove this.
Alright, well it's obvious this one's shorter to that one, the long one to that one, but let's do the short one first. Disconnect this one right here, like so. Then you get this one, the fatter one, and connect it. Make sure it snaps on, and then the one that you took off, the stock one, gonna connect. this one to that one. Simple.
Same
Make sure
thing.
it clicks. The long one, disconnect it on where you're still gonna use it. Connect the new one with OB from the JB4 to this one. Make sure it snaps in. The other one, connect it to how it was. That's it.
And that's it. Pretty much looks like you don't have nothing under the hood. If the cop pulls you over, he's gonna be like, oh, you don't got nothing. Yeah, you just put that back on. Alright guys, so now what you gotta do is basically buy the app, which is $27.99. I got this, well, you can get it in the Apple store. It depends what kind of phone you have. The Samsung, you get me? So pretty much I'm gonna buy it. So now I'm gonna connect. It's scanning for the JB4. It says, would you like to link it? And now it's connect. Oh, there you go. So you guys can see it's working. I have no check engine light or nothing. It's working. Let me see if I give a little throb. You guys can see it works. It sounds louder, man. It sounds louder. Look at this, man. So this is gonna be the first pull right here. 1, 2.
Even this shit open. Fuck.
Oh, my phone fell too. You can really feel the difference, man. This is a bad boy right here. You do feel the car different.
Holy shit.
Well, guys, is it worth it? I think it is worth it. Yeah, you can really feel the difference. But right now, I'm just running map 1, which I still gotta figure it out. I lost my phone, even all that. What? Well, my brother's gonna go give it a try. He's gonna go with one of my friends, and he's gonna let me know if he still feels the difference. So right now he's gonna take it. So here it comes. Let's see his reaction. How you felt the car?
Shit just goes, man. It's too much power.
What's up, Kevin? How you felt the car?
Too much power.
You feel it different?
The fucking glove card kept opening, the phone kept falling.
You heard him. Say that the glove box be opening, the phone was flying. But this is just the map 1, so I still gotta like mess with it. And I don't know how to mess with it still. So I'm gonna be seeing videos and, well, I don't know. They said to run map 3, you could really feel it. But yeah, so now it's just that, and yeah. Is it worth it? It is worth it. I think you guys should get it. Look at the car. Just as it now. He's gonna park it in already. And what I noticed is that it pops a little bit more. Like you could hear it more louder. I don't. Can you give it little rubs? So yeah, guys, so that's it, and I don't know what's gonna be next. I might get a grill today, which is carbon fiber. I'm just waiting for the guy to send me to go pick it up. Yeah, so I just catch you guys in the next one.